S9 Pro Air Pump Accessories Installation Tutorial. Air pump, power supply, nozzle, air hose, user manual. First, remove the laser head. Remove the protective cover. Remove the nozzle. Install the sealing ring. Install the air pump nozzle. Note the direction of the L-shaped copper elbow. Tighten the screws. Note the direction of the protective cover. Plug in the power cable. Install the air pump. Install the air hose. Organize the cables. Please note that when using the air pump accessories, you must use the 12-volt 7-ampere power adapter. Enter the command M8 to turn on the air pump. Enter the command M9 to turn off the air pump. Here's a comparison of the results with the air pump on and off.